it's on.
Welcome to Zaila's Chicken Farming. Today I'm going to teach you how to look after ostrolops. There are ostrolops here, baby chicks. They are ostrolops in 9 weeks here. Actually, 9. Okay, now I'm going to tell you which one is the oldest. What's that? Okay, I'm going to tell you which one. Just need to get it. This is the eldest boy at the bottom. It's the eldest. It just has to be the eldest. It's going to take it out of the blue cage.
How do you know? How many are they then?
How many is it?
10.
10.
And this one, how do you know that he's the eldest?
Because you can only see everywhere you go, you can see him. Because Bob, that was just my sister. The close thing.
Come in.
Yours is creepy, she's like my sister.
Why do you know it's a male?
Because you can see the thing on his head.
Let's see.
You can see the thing on his head. It's very frustrating. It's very frustrating. Easy
Oh.
boy, easy.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay,
What do they eat? Oh.
Egg and worms and also fruit. They eat a lot of things. Like,
Are you gonna give them some worms? Let's see. If we give them some worms, what do they do?
they eat some feet also. They eat feet.
Saida, let's see.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna give them some worms. Mommy, bring the camera. We're gonna give them some worms.
Okay, so this is your worm casting.
Yeah. It's like we're just gonna mix them up a little. Oh, there's the worm. Nice juicy worm. I mustn't scabish with its mouth. That is just hurting the worms. The worms need to be alive here. Okay, we just take out one and then give the rest of them. And that's not the only chickens. I'm going to show you our other pets, okay? So that is just about chicken too.
Let's see. Let's experiment.
Look, I'm going to like my feet. Look at it. They want to get. They're just running away with the worm.
Oh, they're fighting over the worm.
He just took it. Come on, eat.
How old are they?
9 weeks. They just found it. They don't share the chicks. Okay, I'm gonna put another worm in there, guys. This chicks need to eat a lot of worms. That's the eldest one, and as you can see, he just took it out of the smallest one. Okay, let's go to more worms. Huh?
Are we done now?
Now it's a whole video.
Some juicy worms.
Okay, some juicy worms. Hey, I found a straight worm. Oh, this is not the worm. Hey, Mr. Worm, you must see some juicy life. I'm gonna put 2 in there at the
Are you
same
not
time.
scared of the worms?
No, they won't hurt you. Now, come on. Let's just put
Oh, they're gonna be fighting.
like a fight over that 2 worms. Let's see what happens. 2 1 there. Okay, Rebecca got the worm.
They're so cute.
They're running.
Is it running?
He got it. He ran over the water.
Are we done, Anna?
Lava. Now I'm going to show you the other chickens.
Goodbye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.